For decades, astronomers have listened to the universe, and for the most part, it's been silent. But every now and then, something cuts through the void. A single burst of energy, so powerful it outshines entire galaxies. And then, it vanishes. They're called fast radio bursts, and they might just be the strangest signals ever detected from deep space. Signals so strange that some scientists whisper they might not be natural at all. Before we dive deeper, what exactly is a fast radio burst? Imagine a single explosion of energy so powerful it outshines entire galaxies, but it lasts for only 1,000th of a second. These bursts are made of radio waves, a form of light our eyes can't see, but our telescopes can detect. In that blink of time, an FRB can release as much energy as our sun emits in an entire year. And so far, no one knows exactly what creates them. Some happen once, and never again. Others repeat, and it's those repeating signals that keep scientists awake at night, because when a cosmic event has a rhythm, you have to wonder, what's keeping the beat? In 2007, astronomer Duncan Lorimer found something unusual in archived data. A single, impossibly powerful radio flash from billions of light years away. At first, some thought it was a glitch, a computer error. But then, another burst was found. And another. The mystery was only getting started, and the next signal they discovered would break all the rules. Here's what makes fast radio bursts so bizarre. They don't last, just a few milliseconds. They don't repeat. Most of them happen once and never again. And yet, a handful of them do repeat. And those repeating bursts are the most intriguing of all, because repetition feels deliberate. In 2012, astronomers detected something they'd never seen before, FRB 1102. Unlike the others, this one didn't stop. It kept coming back, hundreds of times. Sometimes days apart, sometimes minutes, like a cosmic heartbeat, pulsing across 3 billion light-years of space. This wasn't random, this was a pattern. And patterns, in science, mean there's a mechanism, a cause. But what kind of object could possibly generate this much power? And do it on command? FRB 1102 comes from a dwarf galaxy, 3 billion light-years away. But what could possibly generate energy bursts this extreme, so reliably? Tell us what you think in the comments. Then in 2020, scientists found something even stranger, FRB 180916. This signal followed a clear 16-day cycle, 4 days of bursts, then 12 days of silence, then the pattern repeated, a precise cosmic timer running like clockwork. Some astronomers began to wonder, could this be a natural phenomenon we don't yet understand? Or was something out there broadcasting on purpose? To answer that, we need to look at what could possibly create these signals. So what are fast radio bursts? The leading theory points to magnetars, neutron stars with magnetic fields so intense they could strip an entire planet bare in seconds. Their magnetic energy is so extreme that a single outburst could generate a burst like this. Others think FRBs might come from black holes colliding or the remnants of massive stellar explosion, but there's a problem. These explanations still don't fully account for the repeating signals. Then there's the controversial theory, artificial origin. Some scientists wonder if FRBs are intentional, like lighthouses in the cosmos, guiding spacecraft, or messages sent across the stars. It sounds like science fiction, but so did black holes, until we found them. If even one FRB turned out to be artificial, it would mean we're not alone. Every FRB is a reminder of how little we know. We've mapped the planets, catalogued galaxies, even photographed black holes. And yet, these signals remain a puzzle. A whisper from billions of light years away, daring us to listen closer. And the deeper we look, the stranger the universe becomes. The universe is speaking, in bursts, in cycles, in ways we're only beginning to understand. The question is, are we listening closely enough? What do you think is behind these mysterious fast radio bursts? A magnetar? A black hole? Or could they be a message? Drop your theory in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts.